Info marketing is dead, and you know who killed it?
You did.
I wish. I wish. It was Alex Hormozi.
Oh, good
Alex
point.
Hormozi murdered publicly in front of 500,000 people. Murdered info marketing. With that book launch he did. And dude, it's funny. We all kind of killed info marketing in a way, but his was it was the crescendo. We watched him. It was really a joke. What he was doing was like an elaborate comedy act because he ran you through the standard script, the standard ascension, like, oh, you don't just get that, you get this and you get that and you get this. And I could charge $20,000 for it because you get this and this and this, or I could charge $15,000 for it because you get this and this and this, or I could charge 10. And he walked through the script that we all know, that we've all used, that we've all done. And then he's like, or I could just give it to you for free. Because why would I charge you for this information? Because you having this information will make you a better customer in the future. And that's more or less where the market has gone. And actually, this piggybacks on my YouTube prediction. All the information that we've been charging for as info marketers for decades, we're going to give that away to earn the attention. And my business partner at Driven, Perry Belcher, says this all the time. He's like, dude, why would you create a course and sell, let's say this hyper successful course, the most successful course you ever had will go to 1,000 people, right? Very few people sell a course that goes to more than 1,000 people. So you create a course and you sell it to 1,000 people and you sell it for $100, there's $100,000. Well, the amount of money it takes to promote a course to 1,000 people and sell to 1,000 people and make that $100,000 today in paid traffic is probably about $100,000. But let's put that economy of scale aside. If you give it away for free, you could reasonably reach 100,000 people. What's more valuable to you? Having that 100,000 people subscribe, listen, know you, and that's what Hormozi did, and that's what the really amazing creators are doing. And I think the days of people paying for info, dude, if you go through YouTube, look at any course you're ever about to buy, and then go see if you can find that information on YouTube. It's unreal what's free inside of YouTube.
It's probably there.
All of our Solutions 8 content that we gave away on YouTube, one of the most common comments that I received was, I can't believe this is free. I can't believe this is free. I can't believe you guys are doing this for free. And I'm like, I'm not Mother Teresa. I'm doing this because now you say exactly what you just said, and now you trust me, and now you're going to come hire me when the time comes.
Yep.
So I think if you're a course creator with a few exceptions, with a few obvious exceptions, some industries will hold out longer than others. But man, I think that in a lot of ways, unless you can bundle the course creation with community services, some level of ascension, I think just flat out basic sterile course creation, I think you're going to have a tough time all it takes is one Alex Hormozi in your industry to turn around and be like, oh, you want to charge for that? How about I give it away for free? And then
destroys the whole market.
Then it's done. Yeah, it's exactly right. It takes one person. And if that person doesn't exist in your industry, go be that person. Go be the one who destroys the market, because then everybody's going to flock to you.
Yeah. No, I think that's a great prediction. And I think it's due as well. Like, he's the right guy at the right time.
He's the hero
in a market. In a market that needs it needs a reboot.
Yeah.
For sure.
That guy is so obnoxiously likable. Like, everything he produces and everything he says, I'm just like, God, like,
it's so good.
So good.
So good. Yeah.
So here's the nugget. This works especially well for info marketers, but really any business that creates content that they gate or use to acquire leads. You're creating this content and you're using it as a lead magnet or a follow-up or whatever you end up using it for. And then as that content ages out or atrophies, you move on to other